Welcome to Soulful Conversations with Modern Day Healers. This is your daily practice with Lizz Naughton. In a world that never stops, we take a few minutes to find our center, using the wisdom of the 5 elements to return to wholeness. Whether you're finding your flow this morning, refreshing your spirit at midday, or settling into the stillness of evening, you are here, you are present, and you are whole. Let's begin. The day is done. The sun is setting, and the world is inviting you to return to yourself. Take a moment to feel the physical contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Whether you're in a chair or lying in your bed, notice how you're being held. The earth's energy is a constant, gentle, and nurturing energy. It doesn't ask you to hold yourself up anymore. On your next exhale, let your bones feel heavy. Give your weight entirely over to the floor, the bed, or the ground, and just know that you are supported and you are safe. Imagine you're sitting on a patch of ancient mossy earth. It's cool, soft, and stable. From the base of your spine, imagine gentle roots extending down into the dark, rich soil. These roots carry away any static energy, any buzz from the day's challenges and stressors, and sending it deep into the earth to be recycled. Nice deep breath in. Now imagine a warm golden light at your heart center or heart chakra, like a protected hearth fire. With every breath in, see it sending warmth and spread it through your entire body. See it moving in your upper part of your torso, through your shoulders, and up through your head, and out through your crown chakra. On your next exhale, see that beautiful golden light move through your roots and into the earth. Just know that you're now connected with the earth and the heaven above. This is your internal healing light. It's repairing, knitting you back together any frayed nerves that you may have, and filling you with a sense of solid wholeness and serenity. As we end our day, let's just do a few affirmations and just let these words settle into you like seeds into a fertile soil. I am grounded, stable, and secure. I release the noise of the day and I return to my quiet center. My body knows how to heal, and I give it permission to rest. I am held by the earth, and I am safe to let go. I am enough, exactly as I am, in the stillness now. Nice deep breath in, and let it out. Notice the silence between your thoughts. The silence is healing space for you. Like a forest at night, everything is quiet. But life is being restored in the dark. Trust this process. You don't need to solve tomorrow's puzzles tonight. Tomorrow is nothing more than a distant land. Tonight, you are the mountain. ancient, still, and at peace. Take one more deep breath and let it out. Feel the warmth of your breath, the weight of your body, and the peace in your heart. You are grounded, you are whole, and you are loved. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. If you found peace in this flow, I invite you to carry it with you into the world. For more reflections, meditations, and resources for a balanced life, visit me at lizznaughton.com. Until next time, stay centered, grounded, and be well. Namaste.